So what's up YouTube? Today we're gonna do some DIY. I'm gonna paint my wheels with Superwrap. So I'm about to prep it. So in order for the vinyl to adhere to the wheels, you gotta clean it really good. So let's go. We're gonna spray some iron remover, wheel cleaner. Super clean, just to degrease it. So the kit comes with 3 black base paint, and which looks like this. 3 base paints, black base paint, and then I chose the bronze color, and I'm gonna top it off with frozen matte finish, top coat. First we're gonna spray this prep spray just to clean it real good for the last time before we spray the base coat. So sure you wear some gloves so you don't put some grease on the tire or wheel. So let's go. So I got it all masked and prepped. So we're just gonna do light coats on these wheels. Already applied first light coat. So I did 3 coats of Superwrap so far, and it's looking pretty good. It's looking really nice. So far so good. So this is the 3rd coat of the bronze paint. Man, I'm speechless. This is so awesome. It's beyond my expectations already. I can't wait, guys. I'm like literally blown away. So I'll see you guys on the next. So it's finally finished, and it's looking really nice. Look at that. That is beautiful. So guys, here's the results from that Superwrap frozen matte bronze. So check it out. So that would wrap up the video. If you guys liked the video, just comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. Subscribe, like, all that good stuff, man. See you guys on the next one. Peace.